Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California, South Central Clark County in Southern Nevada until 5:30 p.m. PDT. At 3:29 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain around Nixon Road. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Searchlight, Nixon and Event roads. This includes State Route 1.
Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Searchlight. For 18.
Areas of wind southwest 15 miles an hour with gusts to 25 miles an hour until midnight.